You like meat? We like meat.
You're gonna have to listen until I get home.
Sound like a little kid. We like meat.
That's what you said.
Oh, look at my flashlight.
I was gonna have to cut that out.
Look at my flashlight there.
I gotta edit that now.
Look at
Oh, here's the way I think that people would have come in through here. What's that? Speak to us.
Kinda loud.
As loud as you want.
I got the volume all the way up.
Jesus, how loud. Okay, talk to me. What is your name? What is your name?
770.
770. What's about 70s? Somebody here from the 70s? Bullshit. Hey, what?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, no. Yes, it said yes. Hey, what?
Oh no, they're in the cemetery. Oh no.
Yeah, the guy from the
Family Guy.
yeah. Oh no. Do you think we're wise asses? Do you think we're smart guys? What do you say to that? Amazing.
What, Superstar? But Brian's gonna sell it.
I gotta cut that out, the poor guy.
These guys think it's a joke. Seaview is like he's talking to somebody. Who's he talking to? The camera?
I don't know.
I hope I get all this ghost back.
What is it? I see more IP daily? Is that what it's called?
I see more butts. ICP.
Okay. Speak to me. Me. Okay. Blubber? Is Harry Potter here?
Shit, it says boom.
If it says Zoom or Throne, I'm gonna use one. Suggest?
Who's
Harry Potter?
Hold the ghost box. I gotta
Want me to hold it?
put my glove on.
Let me hold this thing.
Yeah, get some footage, man. Your thumb's gonna come off.
Why is it so cold? Why is it so cold in here?
You told me to shut up.
Tell Tom to shut his cake hole.
I'm just glad I didn't say abracadabra.
I don't want to handle cussing on this radio.
Alright. We should come over here in front of this stone. Carlisle.
What's that?
Is that Khaleesi or Carlisle?
My flashlight there. Where's my flashlight?
Hey, speak to us. What is your name? What is it?
Bastard. Bastard. Is that what it said?
Oh, that's not nice.
Why are you cussing at us?
Bowel? Yes? Why are you being mean to us?
You got some nerve, you know that?
Oh no.
I know.
Did it say Mark Fly something?
Can you say see more butts?
Oh no.
Kill me.
Yeah, that's what I thought it said. Kill you?
Why?
Why?
Kill you. You're already dead. Is that a car right there, dude?
Yeah,
Why would a car be parked at a cemetery?
I don't know.
Can you see us here?
Is there anyone in that car in front of us? The church. What church?
You say church or turds?
Maybe. Sounded like Ronald Reagan when you said that. Help.
Oh yes, well, Can you say Nancy?
Say, I did not touch that woman.
I not have sex with that big Monica Lewinsky.
Bolipsky. No matter what was on her dress.
She had a big wart on her buttocks.
I don't know. What time is it?
What?
Time to play. Play what? Now my fingers are gonna fall from frostbite.
Get closer.
Get closer? How close do you want me to get? You here? Berlin Wall?
What the hell?
You're doing stuff like that.
So are you from here? From this cemetery? You are. Okay. You're 30?
I guess it's dirty.
Well, speak to me. Did you hear that?
It's me.
What was that noise?
It's me.
No, it wasn't.
No.
That wasn't
like
you.
Radio coming on.
Sounded like a radio coming on. You got a radio on you?
No,
What was that noise?
it wasn't me.
That wasn't you.
It wasn't, I know.
Where
Did
did
you
that
hear
come?
that?
Where did that come from?
It sounded like it was right behind him.
It went.
It sounded like a radio turning on.
It was behind there. It was the car.
No.
Yeah,
No.
there was a ghost coming
Something
out.
over here.
There's something right behind you. I heard that. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Tom, did you hear it yelling? Tom, what do you want? Speak to me. I'm a what? Said you're a. I'm a what? Get lost. That was a weird sound.
Yes, it was.
It sounded like it came right from behind him.
You said what?
It was like,
Look at this cross.
look at the car.
Ghost. Oh my God, that was a banging one. Is there somebody at this cross?
It's a snake. No.
There is? Well, who's here? A ladybug's on top of it.
Who put it on there?
Stone crystal on this side.
There's a crystal over here, too.
Two crystals.
Oh, on the bottom.
It's glass. That's glass.
Oh, there's something behind here, Dad.
Glass. Could be. Piece of old stuff. Old. Did you hear that? It said old. Did you hear it?
Look at that. Yes.
Wait a sec. What? Out. It said. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Pull the antenna outlets.
You can't get it out.
That's good.
Okay.
Going to get out, it said.
Who's here with us? Who? Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
What are you singing? Get out now?
Yes.
I'm not supposed to get out.
Make it. The handles. Handles what?
I'm moving away from it. I don't hear nothing.
What?
David.
I'm getting closer. You keep moving.
Saying David. Sounds like change in a jar. Was that change in a jar? Reincarnated? Who's here with us? No idea what the hell that was.
Who is here with us?
Hear that ding?
Yeah. You. Gobble gobble. What is it, Thanksgiving? Walk over to a stone. It looks interesting. Let's go this way. Spill the beans. Did you hear that? Spill the beans.
Beans. Here's the beans.
Out.
Anyone.
Anybody. Go. So what are you going to possibly say to scare us? Hatchet? Oh my God. Did you hear
Is
that?
that one of the 3 tennis?
It said stay.
Is that one of the 3 tennis?
Trades.
Trades.
Guns.
Guns. What else? What else you want to say to us? Winter, obviously. Price. Here, hold this. I gotta take some still shots. Ask some questions.
Hold it.
Take some snapshots.
Look at what?
Make a move.
We're getting good footage.
That's the same voice that said they run.
Good footage.
Who's here with us?
Look at that. I can't skip. It's here.
Really low.
Well, my battery's not low.
Spaceship. Is that what it said?
Did you say spaceship? What are you, an alien?
Bud.
One Randall.
One Randall.
You want us to bring Billy back with us?
Oh, there's a little building over there. Look.
You want us to keep searching around?
Chalice.
Chalice. Frozen, it says.
Look at that. A witchcraft star. Look at. A witchcraft star right there. No. It's a witchcraft star. See it? Upside down star. That's not Jewish. You see it, right?
Oh, it's Hazel. Is Hazel here with us?
Witch.
Hazel wasn't a witch, was she?
No. Well, who was? The right guy? To the right. What's this say? Mock Treen?
Is Mark here?
Myers. Myers. Look at this.
Michael Myers.
It says Myers right there.
Michael Myers.
Who's over there? Did you hear that?
That's crazy.
I just heard something over here. Now I heard that guy yell on the radio. What is this? Hoofs? How come there's only one track? Look, it was something with one leg. Look. No, it's not two like that. Not in a complete straight row. That's